Hi friends, I am Sajid. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain test playing the PUBG game in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So the Samsung Galaxy M31 has a 6000 mAh of battery, friends, which is kind of very huge. So I just want to test how good the battery backup will be there in the device if you are playing using the smooth and extreme settings, which has been requested with the most of the subscribers using that kind of settings, smooth and extreme settings. So I prefer to use smooth and extreme settings in testing the battery life of the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. And in this test I'll be connecting to the Wi-Fi network and I'll be using the earphones as well. And I got the small chart ready here, friends, as you can see, where I'll be recording the battery percentage for every 1 hour and even the temperature as well. So stay tuned, complete video, friends, if you want to get clear idea how good the mobile is and how much the battery can last if you're playing the PUBG game. So this video will be very helpful for a lot of gamers who are interested to buy the Samsung Galaxy M31 if they are seriously into playing the PUBG game for longer duration hours. So the phone has a 6000 mAh of battery and I'm pretty much interested, friends, because in my previous test, which I did only for 1 hour, and in 1 hour it drained only, I think, 8%. So that is a test which I did only for 1 hour, but right now I'll be doing a little bit of more longer than 1 hour. So let's see, friends, how good the mobile can be there, and let me check the temperature as well, how much it is right now. As you can see, friends, clearly it's 28 and 32. So you can see 32 is of maximum right now in the mobile temperature. Let me change the settings, friends, in the device. As you can see, friends, smooth and extreme settings, which has been already selected. And the good advantage with the mobile is that you don't need to even use the GFX tool to increase this kind of settings, smooth and extreme. So these with the default settings, you actually get the smooth and extreme in the device. So let me change the brightness as well, friends, to the 50% brightness. So exactly with the 50% brightness I'll be playing the game. Even I disabled the auto brightness mode as well, as you can see, friends, in case if you think the brightness might be changing later. So now I set to the manual brightness, so the brightness won't be changed. And I connected the earphones as well, and let me unplug the charger and let me start the stopwatch. So as you can see, friends, clearly the stopwatch has been started, and let me start playing the game continuously. And again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So this is the first time, friends, I'm very excited to get to know actually how many hours you can actually play the game in the Samsung Galaxy M31, just because of huge battery, friends, 6000 mAh of battery in this small kind of form factor. And in my video test as well, which I did a separate video on that, friends, if you want you can check the links in description. So in my video test, where I played one continuously movie, 720 movie in a loop continuously, and which lasted more than 20 hours, friends. So definitely still the battery got left close to 39% for 20 hours, and you can expect more 15 hours also. So which is kind of very different scenario in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So that's why, friends, right now I'm pretty much interested to test how good the battery can hold if you're playing any PUBG game in the device. So the video test which I did with a 50% brightness, friends. So in the video test it lasted it will last definitely 25 hours plus in terms of the playing the movies. You can easily play 7 to 10 movies in this device, friends, continuously, which is a very good thing. If you are a frequent traveler, then this mobile is a perfect for you, friends, Samsung Galaxy M31. And I did not observe this kind of thing in any other device, friends, because other smartphones, whatever I'm having right now, they pretty much ordered up to the battery while playing videos maybe close to 20 hours, but they did not even cross 25 hours mark. This is the first phone which I have used which crossed 25 hours of video playback continuously in the device, and still there is some juice left here. So out of the battery is very insane, friends, in the Samsung Galaxy M31, and I'm pretty much shocked how can they maintain the weight as well below 190 grams, which is a very good thing about the device, which doesn't even feel heavy if you are using the mobile for longer durations, which is another advantage I can say when you compare with the other smartphones. So whereas the other smartphones which has 4000 mAh of battery and still they cross the amount of weight more than 200 grams, but this is not the case with the Samsung Galaxy M31 device, friends. So as you can see, friends, overall the gameplay looks pretty good and I cannot feel any lag or stutter feel while playing this game. I think everything looks perfect while playing the game. So stay tuned, friends. Again, I'll be back exactly after 1 hour and we can know exactly how good the battery backup of the Samsung Galaxy is. So I won't be changing any settings. None of them will be changed. All I'll be using the same kind of 50% brightness and with the same Wi-Fi connection. So tell friends, again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of playing the PUBG game, and let me check the battery percent how much it is. So as you can see here, friends, it's 90%. So that means there's only drop of 10% friends. So that's a very good thing while playing the PUBG game. As you can see, there's only drop of 10% while playing the PUBG game. Let me continue the PUBG game again for a couple of hours and let me check the battery temperature, phone temperature, how much it is right now. So as you can see here, friends, clearly 39 degrees, 40 degrees and 41 as well. So overall the highest it got recorded about 41, I think. 41, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So 41 degrees and 10% is got decreased in the first 1 hour. And let me write down the readings here. Again, I'll be back after 1 hour, friends, exactly. So here, friends, it's been 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Samsung Galaxy M31. And let's check the how much is the battery percent right now. So as you can see here, friends, right now the battery percent is of 77%. So let me check the temperature as well, how much it is right now, so that you can understand after playing 2 hours will the temperature increase from the 41 or not. As you can see, friends, the temperature tried to remain constant at 41 degrees sometimes. As you can see, 41.7. So overall 41 is the highest recorded temperature even in the second hour as well. But you can see the battery drain pattern. In the first hour it drained only 10%, but in second hour it drained a little bit higher, 13%. And let's wait for the third hour. Let's check will it increase or it will remain consistent. So as you can see, friends, it's been exactly 3 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game with the smooth and extreme settings. So let's check the battery percent, how much it is right now. So as you can see here, friends, it's 63%. Let me show you the battery area so you can understand exactly how much percent it is. As you can see, friends, 63%. So this with the 3 hours of continuous playing the PUBG game, friends, with the 50% of the brightness. And so let me check the temperature as well, how much it can be right now. So you can see, friends, 41 degrees. So it try to remain consistent at 41 only at the top region, as you can see here clearly. So overall 41 temperature is from the beginning, friends. For after 1 hour of playing the game, it is consistent maintaining. As you can see here, friends, there is a difference of 14% for the second hour to third hour, friends. So overall, friends, even if you consider 15%, you can clearly play more than like 6 hours and 6 to 7 hours of continuous PUBG gameplay is possible, friends, on the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So these with the 50% brightness, friends, and maybe the battery life might be vary if you are using different brightness, but this with the 50% brightness. So that's it for this video, friends. I thought of doing until the battery gets drained, but I got some work, so I need to go outside. So that's why I'm stopping the test right now here itself. So for 3 hours you can calculate, friends, how much the battery got dropped. Like first there's a difference of 10%, then later the difference increased to 13% and then to 14%. So it started to increase little by little the gap, as you can see, friends, overall. So this is overall battery and test in the Samsung Galaxy M31, friends, while playing the PUBG game. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.